Hello lovelies, you are all welcome to Delicious Kitchen today. Happy to have you all here, guys. Come along. We are cooking coconut rice. This system is super easy and the result is amazing. Check the description box for the written recipe. Guys, this is well washed beef that I will be using. I've cut it to small sizes, okay, so that it will be easy to carry it with my spoon. That is my chopped onion I'm adding into it now. That is my chopped garlic that I'll be adding right now into the pot. So guys, it is now time to add salt into it. And after that, I'll be adding this all-purpose seasoning. It is optional. You can add any other seasoning you are used to. Add it into the meat, okay? And that's my ginger powder. I love it. I love the taste it brings out when you boil your meat with ginger. And that is garlic powder as well. And now I'll be adding some curry into it. And that is my seasoning cube. Cameroon pepper. This is optional. You can skip it if you don't have it. So now guys, I'm going to add some water into it now. It's now time to boil it. Add some water into it. We need the water later, okay? Now stir everything together. Give it a good stir, and it's now time to cover and boil the meat until it's done. Tra-la-la, that is it. The meat is now done. I love it. I love this boiled meat. I've tasted it more than 20 times, my guys. So now drain the water, and we now need this meat stock water for the continuation of our coconut rice. It is very important, and I'll be using this canned coconut milk. That's what I have. I couldn't find any fresh coconut close to me here, okay? So I got this at Aldi, and the result is very good. You can use this. It's a good alternative. I got this coconut milk at Aldi. I'm using 2 cans together. They are 800 milliliter, okay? And that's what I'll be using. So I have added it into the meat stock, and I'll be adding just 1 tablespoonful of coconut oil into it. All right, so now stir everything together. Just mix together. That is the meat stock, coconut milk, and coconut oil. And now it's time to add my well-washed rice. I did not parboil this rice. It's already parboiled long corn rice. That is what it's called here, okay? I've washed it and I've added it into the milk, to the coconut milk. Now I'm adding some chili powder or chili flakes into it, and I'll be adding seasoning cube as well. So after that, it's now time to add some salt into it, okay? Don't forget we have some salt already in the meat stock, so just add some little salt and you can always adjust it later. So now time to add thyme, curry, crayfish powder, and now stir carefully. So guys, it's now time to add some water into it as well before we start boiling it. And now I'm adding my bay leaves into it, okay? So now it's time to cover it and bring it to boil. After 10 minutes, guys, this is how my rice looks. It's almost dried up, and the rice is almost done as well, okay? So at this stage you can just remove your bay leaf, and you can also leave it inside, okay? It doesn't matter, you can leave it inside until you are fully done, okay? So after this, now just stir it carefully. You don't need to stir it up to the down of your pot. If you do so, it will start to get burnt immediately, okay? So after this, now it's now time to add our well-boiled meat, okay? add it into it. You can see the meat has reduced. I've tasted more from it. Sorry guys. So it's now time to add your onions. It can be diced, it can be sliced, it depends on how you want it. Okay, so now we are getting closer to the end of this coconut rice. If your rice is still a little bit hard, just add 2 or 3 tablespoonfuls of water into it. Okay, that should be enough. And now get your kitchen foil, because we need the steam. All right, the rice is almost done. All we need now is to trap the steam inside to, you know, to make it really done. Now cover everything, cover the pot, and cook till your rice is fully done. Pwah! Really hot, be careful. So you can see it now. Now at this stage you can taste for salt, you can add some salt if necessary, and then stir everything together. Okay, stir it together the way I'm doing now, just to mix the meat, rice, and onion together. Please remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to share. Thank you so much for doing so. God bless you. So you can just garnish it with some spring onion. This is also optional, it's not a must, but if you do this, you're gonna love it. Okay, you're gonna love it. So guys, that is it. Just leave it, just steam it for a minute or 2 and you're good to go. So I would say at this stage you can just serve the rice. You can serve it like this, the way it is, with the meat in it, or you just add some other fried chicken or fried meat to serve it. But I must be honest with you, this is how I rocked mine, and it came out super yummy. It's really delicious. So let's serve it together. Where is your plate? Do you have your plate there? Let's serve this together. I would like to give a shout out to all my friends, all my supporters on this YouTube. I love you all, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your likes, your share. God bless you. That's all I can say. Stay blessed. See you next Thursday. Till then, stay blessed and stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.